I remember the day I first truly experienced herbal tea. It was a cold winter evening. A persistent cough had taken hold, leaving my throat scratchy and raw. Over-the-counter medicines did little to ease my discomfort. A friend, noticing my plight, brewed me a cup of ginger tea. I was skeptical. The aroma hit me first, spicy and warm, with a hint of earthiness. I took a hesitant sip. The taste was surprisingly pleasant. The ginger had a slight kick to it, but it was balanced by a subtle sweetness. As I continued to drink, I felt a warmth spread through my body. My cough subsided, replaced by a soothing calm. Could this simple drink be so powerful? That experience sparked my fascination with herbal tea. What began as a remedy for a cough became a journey of discovery. I started exploring different types of herbal teas, each with its unique flavor and purported benefits. My initial exploration led me to discover a vast and vibrant world of herbal teas. Chamomile, known for its calming properties, became my go-to for a restful night's sleep. Peppermint tea, with its refreshing taste, soothed my occasional indigestion. I found myself reaching for different teas throughout the day, guided by my needs and preferences. Herbal teas offered a gentle, natural approach to health and wellness. The history of herbal tea is deeply intertwined with human civilization. For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on plants and herbs for their medicinal properties. Modern science has begun to validate many of these traditional uses. Studies have shown that certain compounds found in herbal teas possess anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer properties. This confluence of ancient wisdom and modern science is what makes herbal tea so compelling. One of the most fascinating aspects of herbal tea is the sheer diversity of its benefits. Unlike pharmaceuticals, herbal teas offer a more holistic approach. The key lies in the complex chemical makeup of herbs, producing a wide array of compounds with biological activity. Some phytochemicals act as antioxidants, scavenging harmful free radicals, while others have anti-inflammatory properties. This gentle approach is what makes herbal tea such an appealing alternative for those seeking natural ways to support their health. Soothing the system herbal tea for digestion and beyond. Peppermint tea, for example, is a popular choice for relieving indigestion and nausea. Its active compound, menthol, relaxes the muscles of the digestive tract, easing cramps and reducing bloating. Ginger tea is another excellent option for digestive support, known for its ability to reduce nausea and vomiting. Chamomile tea, with its calming properties, can also be beneficial for digestion, reducing inflammation in the gut. Finding calm in a cup. Herbal allies for stress and anxiety. Chamomile tea, often associated with relaxation and sleep, contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which produces a calming effect. Studies have demonstrated that chamomile tea can reduce anxiety levels and improve sleep quality. Lavender tea, with its soothing aroma and delicate flavor, is another excellent choice for stress relief. Studies have shown that lavender tea can reduce anxiety levels, improve mood, and even enhance cognitive function. Chamomile, the herbal nightcap for restful sleep. Chamomile tea offers a gentle and natural way to unwind after a long day and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Its calming effects are attributed to a unique combination of antioxidants and flavonoids, which work together to ease tension and promote relaxation. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce overall inflammation in the body, creating a more conducive environment for restful sleep. The act of preparing a warm cup of tea can be a meditative experience that helps to quiet the mind and ease the transition into sleep. Peppermint tea, with its invigorating aroma and refreshing taste, is a popular choice for its digestive benefits. Its key compound, menthol, helps to open up the airways and relieve congestion. Peppermint tea has also been shown to improve cognitive function, enhancing memory, alertness, and focus. Beyond its digestive and cognitive benefits, peppermint tea has pain-relieving properties. Menthol acts as a natural analgesic, blocking pain signals from reaching the brain. Ginger, a pungent and aromatic spice, has been a staple in traditional medicine systems for centuries. Ginger tea offers a potent and flavorful way to harness the therapeutic benefits of this versatile spice. One of ginger's most well-known benefits is its ability to relieve nausea and vomiting. Ginger is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, effectively reducing inflammation throughout the body. In addition to its anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger also possesses analgesic properties, helping to relieve pain. For centuries, the use of herbal teas for their health benefits was primarily based on traditional knowledge. In recent decades, researchers have begun to investigate the specific compounds in herbal teas and their effects on the human body. Studies have identified a wide range of bioactive compounds in these beverages, including antioxidants, flavonoids, terpenes, and alkaloids. One of the key areas of research has been the antioxidant capacity of herbal teas. Another area of interest has been the anti-inflammatory properties of herbal teas. Chamomile tea, often associated with relaxation and sleep, has moved beyond anecdotal evidence to gain recognition from the scientific community. Researchers have identified specific compounds in chamomile, particularly apigenin, that contribute to its calming effects. Studies investigating chamomile's effects on sleep have yielded promising results. Beyond its sleep-promoting effects, chamomile tea has also been studied for its potential to reduce anxiety. Further research has explored chamomile's potential benefits for other conditions, including digestive issues and wound healing. Peppermint, with its invigorating aroma and cooling sensation, soothes digestive discomfort. It contains compounds that relax digestive muscles and reduce inflammation. Menthol, a key component, relieves muscle spasms and cramps. Studies show peppermint oil effectively reduces IBS symptoms. Menthol's cooling properties also help alleviate headaches. Inhaling peppermint oil enhances memory and alertness. Peppermint tea may improve cognitive performance and reduce mental fatigue. Ginger, a pungent and warming spice, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries, particularly for its ability to relieve nausea and vomiting. Modern science has confirmed these traditional uses, identifying ginger's active compounds, gingerols and shogols, as the key players in its anti-nausea effects. These compounds are believed to work by blocking nerve receptors in the stomach that trigger nausea and vomiting, effectively reducing those unpleasant sensations. Numerous studies have demonstrated ginger's effectiveness in combating nausea. A review of 12 studies involving over 1,200 pregnant women found that ginger was effective in reducing nausea and vomiting during pregnancy with minimal side effects. Other studies have shown ginger's effectiveness in reducing nausea associated with chemotherapy, motion sickness, and post-operative nausea. Beyond its anti-nausea properties, ginger has also garnered attention for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Gingerols and shogols, the same compounds responsible for ginger's anti-emetic effects, have been shown to inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, potentially reducing inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis, osteoarthritis, and muscle soreness. Research on ginger's anti-inflammatory properties has yielded promising results. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that ginger extract significantly reduced pain and stiffness in patients with osteoarthritis of the knee. Other studies have shown that ginger can reduce muscle soreness after exercise and may even be as effective as ibuprofen in relieving pain associated with menstrual cramps. Brewing a healthier, use simple steps to incorporate herbal tea. Incorporating herbal tea into your daily routine doesn't require a complete lifestyle overhaul. Start by identifying moments in your day where a warm, comforting beverage would be a welcome addition. Perhaps it's a soothing cup of chamomile tea before bed to promote relaxation. Or maybe it's a revitalizing cup of peppermint tea after lunch to aid digestion. Experiment with different flavors and varieties to discover what resonates most with you. Once you've found a few favorites, make herbal tea a regular part of your daily routine. Beyond the teacup, creative ways to enjoy herbal infusions. Don't limit yourself to just sipping herbal tea. Create refreshing iced herbal teas. Brew strong tea, cool it, and pour over ice. Incorporate herbal infusions into desserts. Chamomile panna cotta is delicate and fragrant. Peppermint tea adds a twist to chocolate cake. Use herbal infusions for therapeutic skin care. Chamomile tea soothes tired eyes. Peppermint tea refreshes tired feet. Listen to your body, finding the right herbal allies for you. The world of herbal teas offers a vast and diverse array of flavors and potential health benefits. While this abundance of options is exciting, it can also feel overwhelming at times. The key to navigating this world and finding the herbal allies that best support your individual needs is to listen to your body and pay attention to how it responds to different teas. Start by keeping a simple journal to track your herbal tea journey. Note down the different teas you try, the time of day you drink them, and any noticeable effects you experience. This will help you identify patterns and preferences, guiding you towards the teas that provide the most benefit for your unique constitution. Remember that everyone's body is different, and what works wonders for one person may not have the same effect on another. It's important to approach herbal teas with an open mind and a sense of curiosity, experimenting to find what works best for you. If you're new to herbal teas, it's always a good idea to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. Pay attention to any potential side effects, although they are generally rare with herbal teas. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Embrace the ritual, embrace the benefits. As we've explored, herbal tea offers more than just a flavorful beverage. It's a gateway to a world of natural wellness. From the calming embrace of chamomile to the invigorating zest of peppermint and the soothing warmth of ginger, each cup holds the potential to enhance our well-being in unique ways. Science is now catching up with centuries of traditional wisdom, confirming the presence of powerful compounds in these humble brews that can soothe digestion, reduce inflammation, promote relaxation, and even sharpen our minds. But beyond the science, there's a certain magic to the ritual of herbal tea. The act of boiling water, steeping the herbs, and cradling a warm mug in our hands invites a moment of pause in our often hectic lives. It's a time to reconnect with ourselves, to savor the aroma and flavor of nature's bounty, and to nourish our bodies from the inside out. In a world increasingly dominated by quick fixes and synthetic solutions, herbal tea offers a gentle and sustainable path to well-being. It's a reminder that nature provides us with everything we need to thrive, often in the simplest of forms. By embracing the ritual of herbal tea, we invite these natural remedies into our lives, not just as beverages, but as allies in our pursuit of health and happiness. A world of flavor awaits. Your journey to wellness begins with a sip. The beauty of herbal tea lies not only in its versatility, but also in its accessibility. Whether you're seeking solace after a long day, a digestive aid after a hearty meal, or a natural boost to your immune system, there's an herbal tea out there waiting to be discovered. Don't be afraid to experiment with different blends, flavors, and brewing methods to find what suits your palate and your needs. Let curiosity be your guide as you explore the world of herbal teas. Each cup is an opportunity to learn about different cultures, traditions, and the healing power of plants. Pay attention to how your body responds, embrace the ritual, and savor the experience. Your journey to wellness can be as simple as brewing a cup of herbal tea. So put the kettle on, inhale the fragrant steam, and take a sip towards a healthier, happier you.